In today's brief video, I'll show you how to make a couple of $1,000s in pure passive income by copying and pasting basic photographs. You won't even have to put in any effort once this method is set up. You won't have to do any affiliate marketing or referrals, and you won't have to do any selling. You won't even need any fan following on social media. This is a unique way that I haven't before discussed. It's completely free and accessible from anywhere in the world. Please pay attention to the details to get a peek at this unique strategy and all of my exclusive secrets for doubling or even tripling your profits in the future. You could even make up to 3 times more than others who didn't watch the whole video. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. But first, before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Let's return to the video now. I'll show you how you can earn a lot of money online by just copying and pasting basic photographs from Google in just a minute. Make sure you're paying attention. As a result, you gradually learn everything. First and foremost, I want you to go to google.com and type in the word animals. Now you can view the picture results by clicking on the images. You may discover several photographs of various adorable animals here. This is precisely what we'll be doing using a customized website to earn a lot of money online. And there's an approach that's even more unique. I want you to go to teespring.com. Simply defined, Teespring is a completely free platform that enables you to manufacture and sell various e-commerce items over the internet. Teespring is a print-on-demand service widely regarded as the most popular social commerce platform for designing and selling personalized products online. Because all products are created on demand, there are no upfront expenses or hazards. Teespring has a comprehensive set of selling capabilities built into its user dashboards, including tech integrations with YouTube and Twitch, and top-tier brand collaborations with well-known brands. Teespring creates the goods, transports them to the consumer, and provides you the proceeds when you make the sale. They'll even handle customer service, returns, and refunds for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's return to the video now. You won't need to speak to anybody with this strategy since it's really a lot simpler and easier than you may think, as I've been saying all along. All you have to do is copy and paste photographs, then post them to teespring.com. After that, Teespring will immediately assist you in printing your designs into various apparel, such as shirts, hoodies, and hats. You can see on the website that Teespring has a wide range of clothing options. Take a look at some of the particular designs. The price could vary for different items as set by the designers. Teespring has a variety of designs to choose from. They also cater to a wide range of preferences and outfits. This essentially implies that you may sell anything on here. Other than t-shirts, there are some samples of other things they provide: socks, backpacks, leggings, caps, and even accessories like phone covers and mugs are available. Print on demand is the name of the whole money-making idea. With the word, Teespring assists you in pre-manufacturing and creating all of the clothes in various styles, and then they distribute it to 180 countries across the globe. This whole system allows you to have your online shop on teespring.com. And with that, you may immediately begin making revenue in the 5- or 6-figure range. Who doesn't desire a 6-figure company, right? Now let's go a little further. Basically, you'll need to start by creating a product using the Teespring launcher, which you can do by clicking the Start Creating button. After you've finished creating your product, we'll go on to the next stage, which is increasing your sales. You may leverage an existing network, a third-party technology, or a partnership integration. And don't worry, I'll give you some bonus advice after the video on generating more sales and getting a lot more people to purchase your designs without selling, recommending, or requiring any technical abilities on your side. And all you have to do is make a product. You can just copy and paste any pretty, high-quality photographs from Google, such as all of the adorable animal pics. All you have to do right now is return to teespring.com's main page, and I want you to press the Start Designing button. That will direct you to the next page where you may join up for the world's most famous creative platform. Simply provide some basic information such as your name or brand name and your email address and password. Then choose "I'm not a robot" and go to the sign up button. It's that easy. After you've submitted your personal information and created an account, all you have to do now is create a product. Just click this button which reads "Start Creating" and you'll be taken to the next page. You'll discover a variety of categories here with a variety of hot goods. The website will really provide you with a variety of choices for what's hot right now. And you can also check out the many trending categories. If none of these categories appeal to you, just scroll down and pick from a variety of templates and other commodities and products from which to design. There are a lot of them, as you can see on this website. Let's suppose you want to design on a long-sleeve t-shirt in real life. Just click on Apparel, which will take you to this category of long-sleeve shirts. You may then choose from any of the subcategories. There are Classic, Premium, and Organic, for example. You can also view their prices, making it the most incredible place to start. And the one that I would suggest is the Classic. Just choose it and click the button to start designing. Now it's time to put a picture on our t-shirt. We need to copy and paste an image on top of it if we want it to be in the center of the shirt. Now it's time to return to Google Images and hunt for photographs of adorable animals. For this, you can choose any of the animal pictures that you think will attract the attention of the buyers. Suppose you chose the image of a cute puppy, which I'm sure many people won't be able to resist. So, after you've found the picture you want, all you have to do is save it to your computer, snap a screenshot, or save it to your phone. Don't worry, it's completely free. All we have to do now is click on the Add Image button to upload a picture, and we'll have to choose from the photographs we've picked. After you've successfully uploaded your photo, which will appear on the t-shirt, you can just drag and drop the pictures to any location on the t-shirt. You may even enlarge it by dragging the corner. Right now, if you want to make the picture a little bit larger to fit the box in the middle, you can also shift it down to the bottom and it will help precisely how I want my t-shirt design to appear. You can see how straightforward the whole process is. Simply copy a picture you'd like from Google and paste it into your design at teespring.com. You must now pick a product color before going on to the next stage. In this scenario, you can just pick any of the colors for our t-shirt. Simply go down below where you can select a price for it. Teespring will automatically help promote and sell the t-shirts for you, and you may make a 15% profit for every sale. Let me clarify. Teespring will automatically assist market and selling the t-shirts for you. Every day, hundreds, if not thousands of individuals visit Teespring to browse for various apparel and t-shirts to buy. Now here's a recommendation from me. Most designers of the t-shirts sell at about $29.99. Compared to other individuals, if your pricing is a little cheaper, you might obtain more sales. With a profit margin of 15%, it's really a pretty excellent deal if you don't do anything other than copy, paste, and upload images. All you have to do now is click the Continue option if you're happy with your design, and with that, you're ready to order your gear and design from teespring.com. Now, as promised, I will offer you another additional technique to help you achieve even more sales. Go to facebook.com. Now, when you go there, I was hoping you could look for keywords related to your design. It might be a dog, cat, or other animal enthusiast. And under the filter area, I want you to choose Groups, select Public Groups, and just click on it. And doing so will immediately assist you in filtering out all of the results related to your specific search. Simply choose the most relevant group. And there are a plethora of other animal lovers from all around the globe to be found there. Now, if you can publish a basic design in this group, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without ever having to speak to anybody. Because everyone in this group is interested in what you're offering, as it's very focused traffic. So once again, just click on the blue icon to join the group. Then create a simple post and publish your t-shirt design straight within the Facebook group to generate a lot of sales. So that's how you can copy and paste basic photographs and earn a lot of money online. And that's all there is. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.